This video is proudly sponsored by AAX Exchange, working proudly with the London Stock Exchange to bring you unique matching engines, giving you an institutional grade platform. Of course, you can trade spot, futures, and fiat. You can settle back onto Bitcoin, US dollar tether, or Ethereum. And of course, when we're trading futures, we got margin, and we love margin. It's also offering the lowest futures rates on the market today. Now, if that's not enough for you already, make sure you download the AAX app, where you can use the red packet feature and send crypto to your mates or pay bills. Get across to the AAX website and use the referral code Trader Cobb. G'day guys, hope all is well. Let's have a run at the top 10 and see what's going on. It's been a bit of a consolidation period. If you've been listening to my podcast or anything else that's out there that I do on YouTube, on my subscription list, that sort of thing, you'll have heard me speak about the fact that I thought we might see, if we didn't see a quick snapback on Bitcoin, I thought we'd see a consolidation. We have. Look, it still could pull back. There's no doubt about it. But when the market gets like this, it's a little bit, meh, you know what I mean? It's neither here nor there. And I'm not too keen on doing too much on the 4s, the 2s, the 1s until we do break up through this high. We've got to get a higher low and a higher high to kick there in. On the 12, yeah, maybe the 16, but look, ultimately it's got to pull back or push on. I want to see it push on first, of course. Not much there. If Bitcoin does, however, coming back into this 10,000 region for a cradle, absolutely. I just hope it doesn't do that. On to Ethereum, hanging in up there. It's been hanging on in there for some time now. Look at this. Consolidation from the 27th of July. What was that? What's today? What's today's date? Today's date is the 30th. There you go. So 3 days new. Not much going on there, pal. So again, you know, push on, break that high, low, higher, high, get those lower time frames chewing out again. Right now, I'm not looking for shorts, not looking for longs. I'm waiting to see if we pull back. XRP, on the other hand, what a little screamer. It's finally woken up from its slumber. 5% yesterday, the day before, 2.9, 4.3, so on and so forth. It's moved. So, what am I looking for here? I've been looking to get a position here on XRP. It's gone a bit buck wild on the 4. I like the 8. The 8 pulling back into that cradle zone. That's what I'm after. Haven't got it yet, but that's what I'm after. Bitcoin Cash pulling back in. Still long from back here. Hopefully I see it push onto a new, so you get a new higher low and I can lock in all that profit. For now though, I wait. What do I wait for? Not the 4, but the 8. Notice the beauty of that trend. A pull back in. Mwah. That's what I'm after. Cardano. Look, I'm not interested in any time frame really at the minute for Cardano. It's just a little bit sticky, a little bit mucky, a little bit murky. All the M words. Let's try the 16. Yeah, the problem that I've got here is, look, high, low, high, pull back, big candle. It's not what I'm after. Cardano is no. Look, the daily, when I look at the daily here, I mean, you look at this little pullback, sure. It could certainly elevate from here, but I don't see any trade. That's the thing. BSV had a good run. I love the look of this chart. I missed out on getting filled on a booster by 21 cents, which would have been a profit. Oh well, these things do happen. Let me get rid of this fib level now. You know, a little bullish candle in here is certainly something that I would wait for. If I could get that, I'd be interested. The other thing is if it pulled back further, 4 hour and higher. Not interested in the 2. Bit too mucky outside of the cradle zone. So it's the 4 I'm looking at. Litecoin. Keep on coming on in. Probably the 8 looking a little bit nicer. Waiting for the 8 on the daily. However, look at it. It's had a good run. You know, we're above $50. Let's get a little bit of a pullback. Let's get a trade on. Let's get filled. And then let's move it on up. Binance, not interested there at all. Good push on, pull back, but there's a big spike there, so it's a dead dog. Oh, EOS, my little friendly EOS. Liking the look of that thus far. If we can get that closing bullish, then yeah. Failing that, come on, moving averages, what are you doing? Failing that, the 8 hour pulling back in a wee bit deeper. But EOS definitely there. I'm going to throw that in. Finally rounding out is Link. Linky dink dink. No, nothing there. Not for this chap anyway. It's pulled back. Could move on. but there's nothing too exciting. Guys, that's a top 10 roundup. Pretty straightforward stuff. Just like to have a look at that every now and again. Been a good week. Two trades. One profit, 1.5% loss. Well up. Happy. Get ready for what's coming. I hope what's coming is further upside. But there's always something coming when you trade, because you can make money if the market goes up or down. Have a great day. Share this around, and thanks for your support. Bye for now.
The Trader Cobb Crypto Show, talking business in blockchain.